Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know that a lot of you enjoy the party prep videos, but you have been requesting to see an after party cleanup, so that is what I am giving you today. I'm cleaning up after my daughter's 4th birthday party. I want to say we probably had between 20 and 30 people and a big old mess of cleanup afterwards. But before we get into that, I want to say thanks to ORCA Coolers for sponsoring this portion of this video. So you'll see a little bit later in this video that I'm washing lots and lots of dishes, but here I am washing the ORCA Tini. Not only is this super cute, but it's like the adult sippy cup. It is perfect for your outdoor parties like we had today. It's perfect for the beach, and for us, our bay house that we just purchased. These are amazing for there. I think they're great for holidays, and they would also make a really nice gift. Where we are at on the bay, it's actually greenhead season, so the cap for this is also amazing because it keeps the sand out of your drinks and the bugs. So these are the two that Chris and I use. They're so cute. There's definitely lots of other color options to choose from on their website as well, plus they're really affordable and functional. Also, how cute is this whale tail flip up lid? I just love that little touch to it. Just gives it that nice little beachy feel as well. So here I am just having a mommy minute to myself. I'm enjoying, it's a midday mocktail. It's grape seltzer water with frozen grapes inside while I plan out September. But I wanted to show you just how well the ORCA Tini keeps your drink nice and cold, but also keeps it in place with its rubber bottom and flip top lid. I know that you guys will love this just as much as I do, so all you have to do is order at orcacoolers.com, and they have fast nationwide shipping. So I'll have everything linked down in my description box below, so be sure to check them out. I know that you will love them, and I know that these would make an amazing gift as well. Thanks to ORCA Coolers for sponsoring that part of my video. Now back to my regular content. I'm going to show you the before just so we can really appreciate the after, but I'd also like to give a shout out to myself for being incredibly exhausted, staying up every night, getting her party ready, and then being able to stay up and clean it all up. It definitely took a lot out of me. I'm still tired to this day, but yeah, here is the before. We had quite the mess to clean up. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like for some reason the summer birthdays people eat less and the winter birthdays people eat more. I don't know if that's because we're inside and outside, or you know, if it's just too hot to be hungry, but I definitely feel like our winter events more food gets eaten than our summer events. So step one for me in this cleanup was to just get rid of all the food that had been sitting out for hours, and then just put all the dishes near and in the sink because we know we couldn't fit them all into the sink, and throw away any trash. And then I'm going to get started on taking down the decorations.
In hindsight, why did I take my hand off the wheel? I'm like a deer in the headlights, just can't believe what you think and feel. 'Cause I've been going backwards, drifting off with your words, can't find a way to deal with this now. Don't you see you imply forever, but this is however, not in line with your own vows.
I don't know about you guys, but I've had a nighttime routine for a very long time with cleaning and everything. It doesn't always happen at the same time, but I always make sure that I wake up to a clean space. It just starts my day off right. And if for some reason something happens and we wake up to a mess, it just really does throw off your whole day, your whole routine, especially because when I wake up, I want my coffee right away, my kids want their food right away, and we just need everything in its place to be able to function properly and go on throughout our day properly. I don't know if you can relate, but I just cannot go to bed when the kitchen is a disaster. Now that all the decorations are taken down, we are getting started on this insanely large pile of dishes.
You've been sending signals, I guess it's very simple, but I was occupied with myself. Remember that you implied forever, but now you're like whatever, and moving on to somebody else. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. I know you struggled with your patience, 'cause I was holding us back in every way. And now that I've learned the basics, my apologies won't change anything. Won't change anything. Apologies won't change anything. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill. On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I kept telling myself I'm only taking down the decorations and sweeping up the crumbs and washing the dishes tonight. I'll let the dishes air dry, and then tomorrow morning when I wake up I'll put everything away. But then that part of me that was just like, I'm just really wanting to wake up and just have a relaxing cup of coffee and not just be like staring at my dishes that I have to put away and everything like that. So that motivated me to keep on going. So now I'm just drying the dishes and putting those away as well. It's funny how hours and hours of cleaning can convert into a 17-minute video.
But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
You can see here we took out our larger coffee pot for the party just because I always like to have a pot of coffee on, or people can make their own individual cups of coffee, but I am happy to say that it's still upstairs. We still have been enjoying this coffee. The one thing that I really love about it is that it's nice to wake up to your coffee just sitting there waiting for you. Granted, it doesn't take that long to make an individual cup of coffee, but I just like being able to program it the night before and have it waiting for me. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just refilling it and programming it for the next morning.
Lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, but you got me good.
Alright, now that that's set, it's time to get started on wiping down these counters. When the counters are very messy like this, I will take a hot cloth and wipe everything down first, and then go ahead and clean it with like an actual spray cleaner.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so
So now that I removed all of the sticky stuff and weird clumps of food and all of that, I'm just going in and cleaning off the counters with our regular cleaner, and then just putting things back where they belong. Like I moved our fruit bowl to the dining room just to have more space on the island here and in the kitchen. I'm going to be putting that back, putting the flowers back, and then we're going to get started on our floors.
always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out, that you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know what do I.
If you've been here for a while, you know I'm a big fan of a regular old broom. I usually use that first in my house, especially on the hardwood floors, and there's like places that are hard to get into with the vacuum and all of that. Not that you'd be vacuuming up balloon pieces either, but this is like the aftermath of me taking down some of the balloons. I usually, if the baby was awake, I'd pick them up right away. Obviously it's not very safe to be on the ground with babies, but then here's just some random stuff. You know, we had a bunch of kids here, you know, so the messes are a little bit more abundant, but obviously I don't mind cleaning up a mess, giving my daughter the best birthday party, and spending time and making memories with our friends and family.
So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious.
I almost feel like when I take the trashes out when I'm done cleaning or after a big party, I feel like I'm closing up my shop for the night. It's nice to start out with a fresh trash bag. So that's what I'm doing, taking the trash out, putting fresh trash bags in with some lemongrass essential oil in there just to make it smell good and keep away any yucky garbage smells. So here are the before and afters, just so we could appreciate how much was done. I feel like sometimes it's disappointing to me when I am cleaning for so long and I edit my videos and I'm like, what, 17 minutes? Like, how does that even compare? But yeah, you guys know it was a lot of work, and I just hope that this video gave you some motivation to clean anything. Clean your house, clean your car, clean up any spot that you're just like really wanting to get done. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.